What's up guys? Happy New Year! Today I've collaborated with FIDM Fashion Club to bring you this tutorial on how to make a bomber jacket out of an existing sweatshirt. This is a super fun and quick jacket that you can make in less than an hour, so keep watching to see how I did it. You are going to need a sweatshirt, a separating zipper, and patches or applique to decorate your bomber. First, you're going to mark a line through the middle of the sweatshirt. Then you're going to cut through the middle. Next, you're going to pin your zipper to the sweatshirt and sew it all down. Lastly, you're going to figure out your placement of your patches or applique. I decided to put it on the shoulders. This DIY is perfect if you're looking to add on something to your closet for the new year. If you want to see more DIYs like this, or you want to start your own FIDM Fashion Club at your own high school, be sure to check out the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you have a happy new year.